Hi Planner Bestie, welcome to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe. So in this video, I'll be building the 50 envelope Discbound system. So this system on the left is the 100 Discbound system, which I've shown in previous videos. It can be utilized as a photo album, sticker album, cash envelope system, coupon organizer, whatever you desire. So right here is the Discbound system with 20 transparent pockets, and I will be adding 30 more transparent pockets in this video to make it a 50 Discbound system. So the Discbound system with 50 and 100 transparent pockets will come with 2-inch disc. So I have a variety of options available for the Smooth Black Discbound system. You can get it with just the cover and the disc by itself, because everyone does not have the need for the transparent pockets, and the transparent pockets are available individually as well. So I have a variety of options available for this particular system available in the shop. So it's the cover only, the cover and the disc only, which will be the smaller disc. Then you have the option of getting it with 10 transparent pockets, 20, 50, and 100. And because of the structure and the design of the Smooth Black Discbound system, with the snap closure, it allows you to expand it with larger discs, and you're still able to close it comfortably. So this is what differs from the Smooth Black Discbound system versus other systems. So now that I removed the smaller disc, I am able to make it into the 50 Discbound system with the 2-inch disc and adding in 50 transparent pockets. So now that the discs are added on, now let's add those 50 transparent pockets, and I definitely will speed it up because I do not believe in wasting your time. So each pocket has a side insert, so you can easily insert a cash savings challenge, photo, sticker, coupons, receipts, or even cash. You easily slide it in it. It's very compact and it's very perfect for on the go as well. So this is the 50 envelope system that's available on the website, along with the 100 envelope Discbound system. So there's options and availability, and it's frugally priced. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment.